Good morning, students. So, today I am going to explain you about HCF. Our new topic is HCF. What is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. Okay. So, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the class group. Okay. So, what is the full form of HCF? HCF, H stands for highest, C stands for common, F stands for factor. And what is factor? Factor of the number is the divisor of that number. Okay. So, the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. Okay. So, if two or three numbers are given and we have to find the highest common factor of it, how can we find it? We will find the highest common factors of those number. We will find the highest common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor also. Okay, it is also known as greatest common divisor. Means we will understand it by the example. Okay, HCF of 20, 28 and 36 can also be found by prime factorization. So here I am using the prime factorization method to find the HCF. So we have to find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36. So first of all, I'll do the prime factorization of 20. So to perform prime factorization, we will check 20 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 0. Here again it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are. We will use only prime numbers. So 5 ones are. Okay. Here 28, it is having 8 in its unit place. So here it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. The lowest smallest prime number, so 2 ones are and 2 fours are. Again 14 is divisible by 2. 2 sevens are and 7 ones are. We are doing prime factorization, so we will use only prime numbers only. Okay, we will start from the lowest number. Again 2 ones are, 2 eights are. 36 is divisible by 3 also, but first of all we will use the smallest prime number. If it is not divisible by 2, then only we will use 3. On next prime number, we will check for the next prime number. So using the divisibility rule, we are knowing that it is having 6 in its unit place, so it is divisible by 2. Then 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So here we will write the factors of 20, that is 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 28, 2 into 2 into 7. Factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3. We can see that in all the three numbers we are having 2 as a common factor. So HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So it is the highest common factor, it is the greatest common divisor. Okay, 20 is divisible by 2, 28 is also divisible by 2, 36 is also divisible by 2. It is the common factor, it is the smallest common factor, but we have to find the greatest common divisor. So greatest common divisor is 4. 20, 28 and 36 is divisible by the common greatest divisor, that is 4.